Welcome back to my channel. My name is Therese. I'm 39 weeks pregnant and I'm cleaning my kitchen. I'm doing the after dark cleaning of my kitchen and I have a little hopper. But there's a surprise, so you have to watch at the end and see if I actually even finished cleaning. Something really happened while I was cleaning and yeah, so don't forget to watch until the end to see what really happened. So thank you for stopping and don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like and share the video so I can create more content like this if you are interested in it. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe again.
Mommy, see? You ruined my backpack.
I'm gonna fix it for you.
So it's going. Now I'm a level 6.
No, it's too short. Okay.
Things are cold.
You took one?
Yeah, I mean temperature. I should need temperature.
That's for baby. I don't want to get you shaky. Don't see.
I'm cold. I'm cold.
You're fine.
No, I'm cold.
You got the milk one?
I'm cold. I'm cold. Mommy, why do I give me temperature? I'm cold.
Because you're fine. That's not yours. That's the baby's.
I'm cold.
If you want, I'll check yours in a minute. So I started out with the stove top and then the microwave, and then I'll go to the counters, and then I'll do the fridge, and I'm just doing the outside, the fridge, and then just the outside, the cabinet, and later on I'll do the floors, and that will be it. And the only reason I usually do this because I have hard time sleeping at night, and that's the only time I get to do this, and it's after thinking it's after 10 at night on Friday. So please continue to watch until the end and don't forget to subscribe. So apparently there was a fly in the house and we're looking for a fly squatter. But we just couldn't find it, and it was getting warm. I didn't really pay attention to look at the weather or see outside if it was raining or a storm or anything. I guess I didn't see it. But yeah. What are you doing?
Nothing. I'm looking for one spot. Nah.
Are you bringing it to hurt me or to be disturbing?
You called me to get a fly, so I'm a fly exterminator. Do I still want to his fly?
I don't know. All I know is I'm almost tired. I'm gonna do the floors and that's it.
Where's the mom?
I mean, where's the map?
Hey, right here.
It's right here.
Mommy. And where's the flies? Why?
I've been through this already.
Nah.
So I was done with one side. I wanted to move the camera so I can see the other side of the floor where I was cleaning to be able to finish with the video. And then electricity went out. There's some type of storm outside. Wait for it. There's a storm outside. Alison, put the remote down for a minute.
It's a storm outside.
Mm-hmm.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared, mommy and daddy and Carrot's here.
Clay, I'm scared.
You saw that?
Yeah, my lights change colors.
Ali. Ali. Come here.
Hi guys, welcome. I tried to figure out what is the
In the dark, no light.
Is that Clay's phone or is that Daddy's phone? Or
Light out in the middle of the video, so we should be
it's
better
away.
anyways. So we waited to see if the light would come back on, but it did not come back on. Sorry guys, we have a power outage and I was almost finished with the floors and we don't have electricity, so I think the whole county is out. So after dark cleaning, it really becomes after dark. It becomes dark. What? She's talking about 3 days of darkness. I don't know. All I know that I just couldn't finish. I don't think I want to scare people right now with whatever I think about stuff, but yeah, I just remember a dream that I had a couple of days ago, or a couple of weeks ago, I should say. But anyways, I'm not psychic or anything what my daughter's trying to do, but that'll be for another video, whatever. But thank you for watching. I kind of finished just, you know, drying up the spot, the kitchen. It was just after dark cleaning the kitchen, you know, prepare my kitchen and whatnot, and it really become after dark. And yeah, I guess we're gonna go to bed or wait for the light, I don't know. But thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.